looking out the window. Oh, another snowplow going by. Let's take a look outside, see how it looks out there. Here we go. Oh, just barely see across the street. It's coming down good. Not too windy though. Picture out the back door here. Not too bad. Starting to pile up a little bit. Leaving my door up here to look outside. You can just about see the Trajano's barn across the road there. So it looks like it's slowing down a little bit. But I'd say we got at least a foot. Yeah, I also brought in the flag. I didn't want it to be blowing around out there. Yeah, I brought Santa in because of the snow.
Boys and girls are going to get a special treat this Christmas. Will you be one of Santa's helpers?
Still got all my Christmas cards up till next year. Have to heat up the honey, make it a little sort of flow. It was kind of solid there. Just sitting inside, having my lunch, reading all the newspapers. Got my tea here. My paper guy delivered the paper this morning, so before the snow started, so I got my paper to read today.